In this video, we'll be looking at the check-in components of the software. The check-in screen can be either on its own screen or shared using the tab system with most browsers. When the client checks in, their barcode is scanned and it'll bring up the client's information. If they have a picture, it will display. In this case, we can see this client needs to update their billing information. It shows the client name as well as the last 4 digits of their barcode, what types of contracts or memberships they have, and some basic information about the client. Also, what staff are linked to that client, and their check-in history. And if they have notes, those are displayed on the right. On the far right of the page is the check-in history for the day. You can look at different amounts of check-in history. With each check-in, the screen automatically blanks out and it's ready for the next client to check in. If more information is needed about any particular client, by simply clicking on their name, it will open a new tab with the client summary, where you can get more details about that particular client, including agreement information, invoices, and payment issue history. Closing that tab will take you back to the check-in screen. This makes it simple and quick for staff to get any details they need about any client. You can also look up client by typing in any part of their first or last name, which will bring up a list, and you simply click on the client and click check-in, and it will check them into the system. The check-in screen is also tied to the schedule, in that if you have a personal training session that's booked and the client checks in within 2 hours of that session, it will automatically mark that session as being completed. This is the check-in components of the software.